How to fix Google Chrome browser being slow. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to make your browser more faster is very easy and simple, and I am sure that this works 100%. So all what you have to do is go to the top right here on your browser, click on those three dots and go down to settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options. Go right here to this system option. And now all what you have to do is make sure to disable the use hardware acceleration when available. Disable it and click on relaunch. And after that, open here and go to the top here again, and this time go to more tools and go to extensions. And now all what you have to do is remove the extensions that you don't want. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.